around was just sand, an endless desert under the blazing sun. One day, 2 camels were wandering through that endless desert. Along the way, they stopped to munch on some cactus and then quenched their thirst with a bit of water. But trouble was on its way. Out of nowhere, a massive sandstorm started rolling in. The storm was huge and terrifying. The 2 camels saw it coming and started running as fast as they could. But soon, they were caught right in the middle of the desert, nowhere to hide. One camel got exhausted and collapsed to the ground. The other one just kept running, trying to survive. The fallen camel got trapped deep inside the raging storm. The storm roared past and slowly. Everything went silent again. The other camel began searching for his friend. After a while, he found him, half buried under the sand, barely visible. It looked impossible to pull him out. Then the camel spotted a dry old tree branch lying nearby. Somehow, he managed to grab it with his mouth and dragged it back. The trapped camel bit onto the branch, and with all his strength, he pulled himself free. The rescued camel looked at his friend and gave a little thankful nod. Side by side, the 2 camels started walking again, back into the endless desert.